does not have a birth certificate.
Chinu, Chinu, come out quickly. I want to go to the bathroom.
Buzz, why are you shouting?
Look, Meenu, Chinu has been inside the bathroom for hours now. He is just not coming out.
How can I be inside the bathroom for hours? It is only a few minutes. Buzz doesn't know anything.
Buzz, stop fighting now. Go quickly now.
But Meenu, I don't know if it is minutes or hours.
Minutes are less than hours, Buzz. We take 15 minutes to walk to school from our house. So, you cannot say that we take hours to walk to school.
Oh, like that. But Chinu takes hours in the bathroom. He takes a long time.
I don't take hours in the bathroom. I am very fast. I have a bath in a few minutes.
Oh, stop fighting now. Buzz, different things take different times. Some things take seconds, some take minutes, some take hours, and some even take days to be done.
Days?
Yes, look at our banana tree. The bananas are green. It will take many days for them to get ripe.
Yes, look at this bud. It will take days to bloom into a flower.
But it will only take me minutes to drink the honey from the flower.
Oh yes, that's right. Now you know. Look, it will only take me seconds to blink my eyes.
It will also take me only seconds to buzz near Chinu's ears.
It will also take me only seconds to chase you away.
Oh, stop it both of you.
Meenu, look at our cow. She is looking fat.
Yes, Buzz. She is going to have a baby.
Oh, will it take days for her to have her baby?
It will take months for her to have her baby. Some things take months to happen. Like wheat or rice take many months to grow into a big plant.
I know. Papa has to wait for months for the harvest.
That's right. It also takes months for the weather to change from winter to summer.
Sometimes it takes years for things to happen. Look at this small plant, Buzz. It will take years for this plant to grow into a big tree like that.
Will it also take years for you to grow tall like Ma, Meenu?
Yes, Buzz. It will take years for me to grow tall like Ma. It will also take years for me to grow as old as Ma.
But why?
Look, Buzz. Meenu is 9 years old now. Ma is 32 years old now. So Meenu will take many years to become as old as Ma. Buzz, can you tell me how many years?
I am thinking, Chinu. I am trying to do it in my mind. How do I do it?
I will tell you. We have to do 32 minus 9. I will do 32 minus 10, which is equal to 22. Then I will add 1. 22 plus 1, which is equal to 23. So Meenu will take 23 years to become as old as Ma is now. Buzz, can you tell me this? I am 7 years old now. How old will I be in the year 2015?
2015? How will I do that?
Buzz, it is simple. I will tell you how. It is 2008 now. We want to know Chinu's age in 2015. So it is 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 and 2015. So it is 7 years from now. We have to find out what will be Chinu's age 7 years from now.
Oh, now I know. Chinu is 7 years old now. We have to find out his age 7 years from now. So we have to add. It is 7 plus 7 equal to 14. Chinu will be 14 years old in 2015.
That's right, Buzz. You wanted to know my age 7 years from now. So you have to add.
Oh, now I know. So Ma will also take many years to grow as old as Grandma.
That's right, Buzz. We all grow 1 year older every year. My birthday is on 23rd March. So, I will grow 1 year older every March.
How do you know that your birthday is on 23rd March?
Ma told me. And I also have a birth certificate.
Birth certificate? What is that?
Come, I will show you my birth certificate. See, this is my birth certificate. It has the date of my birth, place I was born, Ma and Papa's name.
What do you do with this certificate? I don't have one.
How can you have one? We need this birth certificate to get into school and for many other things.
So your birthday is on 17th January. That is the first month of the year. See, I know the months.
Do you remember which months have 30 days and which have 31 days?
I have to think.
Oh, you forget everything. We will do it with the fist now.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. The months at the top have 31 days, and months in the gap have 30 days.
And February is a special month. It has 28 days in some years and 29 days in some years. So January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days.
April, June, September and November have 30 days.
So, there are 12 months in a year.
That's right, Buzz. Okay, we will play a game. I will write a date and month. You have to arrange it in order.
What order?
Which comes first, second, third. You will understand when I show it to you after I write it. Okay, look at this now. Meenu's birthday, 23rd March. Independence Day, 15th August. Republic Day, 26th January. Chinu's birthday, 17th January. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Christmas, 25th December. Pongal, 14th January. Children's Day, 14th November. Teachers Day, 5th September.
I can do it. 14th January is first. Then 17th January. Then 26th January. 23rd March. 15th August. 5th September. 2nd October. 14th November. 25th December.
Okay, Buzz, stop talking. It is Monday today. We have to get ready to go to school. Hey, Buzz, do you know about a week also? How many days are there in a week?
Weeks? I don't remember.
See, you don't remember anything. There are 7 days in a week.
Now I remember. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday.
Oh, Buzz!
It is Wednesday.
Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, there are 7 days in a week. Do you know there are 4 weeks in a month?
4 weeks in a month? How?
Come here. Let me show you a calendar. Can you see this? Look, there are 7 days in a week. And there are 4 weeks in a month.
But Chinu, look here. There are 4 Sundays in all the months. In this month, there are 5 Sundays.
Yes, Buzz. Mostly, there are 4 Sundays in a month. But sometimes, a month can also have 5 Sundays.
What are you all doing in front of the calendar?
Grandma, we are telling Buzz about the months and weeks. Grandma, Buzz doesn't know his birthday.
Grandma, no one told me. Do you know your birthday, Grandma? Which year were you born?
I also don't know my birthday, Buzz. But I know I was born in the year 1948.
Oh, that is 1 year after our country got independence, Grandma. We got our independence in 1947 and you were born in 1948.
That's right, Minu. I went to school till I was 15 years old. I got married to your grandfather when I was 16 years old.
16 years, Grandma? That is very young.
Yes, Chinu, I was very young. In those days, they used to get the girls married when they were very young. But now we all know that girls are as good as boys. So, girls should also study well and we should not get them married when they are very young.
Yes, Grandma. Minu is smarter than Chinu.
Stop, Buzz. I am going to catch you.
Come here, both of you. You are all very smart. After marriage, I had many children. All your uncles and aunts were born. Your father was born when I was 25. He got married when I was 49. Minu was born when I was 51 and Chinu was born when I was 53.
Oh, Grandma, I can't remember anything.
Wait, Buzz. Let me write it down. 0. Grandma was born. 16. She got married. 25. Papa was born. 49. Papa got married. 51. I was born. 53. Chinu was born.
'Writes 60. 60. Bus came home. I came home.
Hey Buzz, you are funny. Friends, did you like our grandma's story? When is your birthday? Do you have a birth certificate?
No. Friends, ask your parents to get one for you today. You can also ask your grandparents or parents about their life. You can ask them which year they were born, when they got married, and when they had babies. Shall we match the dates? Independence Day. August. Republic Day. January. Gandhi Jayanti. October. Christmas. 25th December. Pongal. 14th January. Children's Day. 14th November. Teachers' Day. 5th September. Martyrs' Day. 30th January. Will you help Buzz pick up the months that have 30 days? Can you give your answers loudly so that Buzz can hear? April. June. September. And November. Now, will you tell the months that have 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Different things take different times. Shall we find out? To have a bath, takes minutes. To click your finger, takes seconds. To go to school, takes minutes. For a plant to grow into a tree, takes months. For the rice to get cooked, takes minutes. For a calf to grow into a cow, takes months. For banana to ripe, takes days. A whole school day takes hours. To watch a movie takes hours. For a test cricket match, takes days. For a one-day cricket match, takes hours. To blink your eyes, takes seconds. Let us help Buzz pick up the correct time. Meenu wakes up. "6 o'clock. Meenu goes to school. 8 o'clock. Meenu is studying in school. $11. Meenu eats lunch. $1. Meenu plays with her friends. $5. Meenu studies at home. $6. Meenu eats dinner. $8. Meenu goes to bed. $9. Will you give the answers loudly? Kavita is 8 years old in 2008. How old will she be in 2016? (16 years old). Rahim is 10 years old now. How old was he 2 years back? 8 years old. Reshma's dog is 8 years old now. When was he born? 8 years back. Peter's father is 35 years old. Peter is 8 years old. How many years is Peter's father older to Peter? 35 minus 8 is equal to 27. Billy Rani was 5 years old when she gave birth to 4 kittens. By how many years is she older than her kittens? 5 years. Chandra is 3 years old in 2008. Which year was she born? 2005. Sahil is 8 years old in 2009. In which year will he be 10 years old? 2011.
Bye friends.